Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at a 2019 25XS by NauticStar. This NauticStar is powered with twin 150 4-stroke Yamaha engines. It has underwater lights, 3-step boarding ladder, fish box, large seat that flips up and out of the way in the back of the boat in the transom. Has a built-in flush mount Simrad unit, stereo, very nice bolster seat, twins with flip-up thigh rise. Has your battery switches located underneath the driver's side. Very large bow area. Has a very nice solid fiberglass T-top, flush mount cleats, speakers in the T-top as well with your LED downlights. Has a porta potty with a pump out tank. A little closer view of the helm. Compass. Large live well. Freshwater wash down. Rod holders. A rub rail with the grab handle in it, backrest, anchor locker, floor storage. Has another live well in the bow. Again, this is the 2019 25XS by NauticStar. If you'd like to take a look at this boat or any others that we have at MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168. Give us a call or come on by.